couchwasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can dress up your Feather the Owl diffuser from Young Living. It's pretty easy, but you just need to have your Cricut machine. So if you want to see how I can step up this Feather the Owl diffuser, then keep on watching. Alright, so before anything else, I like measuring up my work area. So basically, I will be putting 2 circles here to form a spectacle and symbolize Harry Potter. Okay, so the circle would go for about 3 inches across or 3.25 depending on you, but I think I'll stay with 3.125. And the height shouldn't be more than 2.25. Okay, so this is a little too huge. So today I will be getting my light grip mat. I plan to use this brown vinyl from Cricut. So with vinyls, you don't have to really put this face down. Pwedeng ganyan. Wait a minute. It's kind of hard lang to stick this on evenly. I'm very bad at this, so sorry na lang. Okay. And then you open it. And make sure that the cutting blade is there. Turn it on. Okay. So once it's blinking, and press go. Alright, so now that is done, you just have to press exit and carefully remove the mat. You know, just cut it out. This is only a piece, so pwede na natin siyang tanggalin so that you guys can see the design. There you go. So here are the spectacles. Alright, so since I want to make mine a little extra, I'm going to be making my lightning as a holographic gold. So this is the first set that I made. I made another one without the lightning because I wanted to use this special material. And we will be using these to customize your Feather the Owl diffuser. And so I've already put the clear transfer tape. Just make sure it sticks. There you go. And since there are curves, so you might need to cut it here. To make sure that it's even. To give it one snip and make the spectacle overlap. it overlap. There you go. Alright, so for the lightning, you put your transfer tape and put it here. There you go. So we just have to do a little cut right there to make it even, and look at that. So it's pretty simple how you can turn your Feather the Owl diffuser into something more festive, something more appropriate for this year's Halloween season. Halloween is one of my favorite time of the year, and I think this is just perfect. Plus, I used this holographic vinyl sticker as an accent. I think it's really cute. So if you want to turn your own Feather the Owl diffuser into something more extra, don't worry, I am giving away a sticker sheet, a sticker set of this so that you can customize your own Feather the Owl diffuser. You just have to join the giveaway. So the giveaway mechanics is very simple. You just have to like this video, comment below your Instagram handle, and make sure to subscribe on my channel. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. That's gonna be put up here. Don't forget to follow that Instagram account. And I'll be choosing the winner on Wednesday. So I will be putting the mechanics down below in the description box so you won't be lost. But the giveaway is very simple so that you can turn your own Feather the Owl diffuser into something cute and adorable this Halloween. By the way, I would like to invite you guys on my special essential oil class this October 26th. That's the last Saturday of October. It's gonna be a fun essential oil class that's Harry Potter themed. So that's the reason why I also created this. Para may maganda tayong mascot during my workshop. And I wanted to give everyone like a gift. So for everyone who's joining the class, there will be 6 to 7 beauty recipes. There will be a lot of take-home recipes, and there will be giveaways and freebies for everyone. So, kasama sa sign-up form, you will have to take note what diffuser you have so that I can give you a free decal or a free customized sticker that you can decorate your diffusers with. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me sharing my trick on applying this decal because it had, you know, a little trick that you have to do, no? But if you did succeed in making or customizing your diffusers, don't forget to share it with me through Instagram. Please tag me. I'd love to see your creations. Also, for my winners and some of my members, I'll be sending you guys some of these decals. Don't forget to share with me your masterpiece. I'd love to see them. I guess I'll see you in my workshop, or I'll see you in my next video. Bye!